Hey designers! In this video, I will teach you how to create an editable typography design in Adobe Illustrator. My artboard size is 1920 by 1080. My background color is dark blue suit to the artboard size.
First, select the paintbrush and try to draw the text you want. Change its color to white. Then try to adjust it with Direct Selection tool. Then use the Smooth tool to make much smoother. So try to follow me here.
Select the Type tool and type the text. Change its color to white and font to Cormoran Garamond Light. Follow my setting.
Go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Apply a gradient on it. Select the gradient point. Use the eyedropper to select the color. Follow my gradient settings. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Go to the Object menu, Blend, and Make. Again, go to the Object menu, Blend, and Blending Options. Set specified steps to 1000.
Select both, go to the Object menu, Blend and replace spine, follow the process on the eye dot, drag it on top of the simple text, adjust its size, select both, go to Object menu, Intertwine, and make Try to Follow Me here.
You can easily change its color using the Rec color options. And that's it. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Share your thoughts on